So something that's important to take from her numbers is that she's 5 months in and it's just now hitting for her. Okay? Well, think about what's in 5 months from right now. It's 2019, right? So the effort that she's been putting in over the last 5 months is now culminating in what you guys are seeing up on this board right now. So you guys need to think about the effort that you guys are putting in today. It's not going to be reflected next month. It's not going to be reflected the month after that. Odds are the effort you put in today is what's going to be reflected in your 2019. You know, the effort that she's been putting in over the last 5 months is what's going to help her have a strong fourth quarter. The effort she's putting in today is what's going to help her have a strong first quarter. So you guys got to think about that. There is a delay that, you know, there's a process that occurs here to where, you know, you don't just pick up the phone and leads are like, I want to buy today. Cool. I want to sell today. Cool. Like, hey, in a perfect world, we get a few of those from time to time, but that is not the way that it typically works. You've got to put effort in over a long period of time and work leads through that funnel before they start spitting out the bottom, because a lot of times when they come in, they're up here at the top of the funnel and we work them and we work them and we work them and we work them and they finally start to come out the bottom. So props to you on continuing the hard work and don't stop it. Yeah, because then a lot of times what happens is, you know, I've seen people go 3 or 4 on the board and then 0, and then 3 or 4 on the board and then 0. And it's not good for building your business in the long haul, because if you don't do the activities consistently, you're not going to get the results consistently. It's also not good for you physically, emotionally, mentally, financially. It's not good to be sitting, because if you got a 0 on the board right now, you're 30 days minimum before you're going to see any money come in. Minimum. Probably 45 to 60 days before you're going to see a check come in. That's scary, right? Like, we don't want to live that way. I'd love to look at this board every single day and see 2 next to every name minimum. Like, that's what I would love for you guys. But in order for that to happen, you've got to do the activities consistently, day in and day out. And that's how you get the deals coming out the bottom consistently as well. So I just want to encourage you guys to really put in the effort right now, because 2019 has already started.